Ever wondered how AI tools like ChatGPT are turning everyday people into millionaires? Stick around because today I'm breaking down exactly how modern entrepreneurs are using AI to build wealth, and I'll show you how to get started, even if you're a total beginner. Whether it's generating passive income or automating a full-blown business, the opportunities are endless, and the best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to dive in. Let's jump right in. All right, let's talk about digital dollars with AI. First up, content creation with AI. You've probably seen AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva everywhere lately, right? Entrepreneurs are using them to create blogs, YouTube scripts, social media posts, basically any kind of content. Here's the trick. Offer these services to small businesses. Want to stand out? Focus on niches like real estate agents or fitness coaches. These industries love done-for-you content. 2. E-commerce automation. Say hello to smart bots, big bucks. With AI tools like Shopify and Jasper, you can set up an online store that practically runs itself. From automated customer support to AI-powered ad campaigns, you can save time and boost sales. Don't go overboard automating everything. Personalized customer experiences still matter. 3. AI consulting and freelancing. Even if you're not an expert yet, you can learn the basics of tools like Zapier or OpenAI and offer consulting services. Tons of businesses are eager to streamline their operations, but they don't know where to start. Pro tip: offer a free demo or consultation to land your first few clients. Show them the value before asking for the sale. 4. Passive income with AI-powered investments. Platforms like Wealthfront and Betterment are making it easier than ever to grow your money with AI. They use advanced algorithms to optimize your investments, so you don't have to. AI can help reduce risks, but remember, there's no such thing as a guaranteed win in investing. 5. AI tools for online courses and memberships. This one's huge. Tools like Teachable and Kajabi now integrate AI to help you build and market online courses. If you have a skill, anything from cooking to coding, you can package it into a course and let AI handle the marketing and analytics. Now let's look at some real-life success stories. Meet Sarah. She started an online store selling custom planners, but the game changer? She used AI tools to automate inventory, manage customer emails, and even design products. In just 6 months, she pulled in $100K in revenue. Or take Kevin, who turned his passion for fitness into a 6-figure business by creating an AI-powered subscription app. It sends personalized workout and meal plans to users every week automatically. See, these aren't tech geniuses. They're just people who saw an opportunity and ran with it. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but where do I even start? Don't worry, I've got you. Here's how to set up your first AI-powered business in under 30 days. 1. Pick a niche. Start with something you're passionate about or curious to learn. 2. Choose your tools. For beginners, try ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, and Zapier for automation. 3. Learn as you go. Platforms like Coursera and YouTube are packed with free tutorials to level up your skills. Oh, and here's a bonus. Many AI tools offer free trials. Test them out without spending a dime. Now, it's your turn. What's your AI business idea? Drop it in the comments, and I'll personally help you refine it. And if you're ready to dive deeper, hit that subscribe button right now. Join me next week for AI side hustles that pay big in 2025. You won't want to miss it. All right, let's recap. Today, we covered how to create content with AI, automate e-commerce, start consulting or freelancing, leverage AI-powered investments, and build online courses. Remember, the AI revolution isn't just for techies, it's for anyone ready to work smart and win big. Keep learning, keep earning, and visit theaimarketingschool.com for more. See you in the next video.